How to change your age on TikTok with your iPhone. Inside your TikTok profile, you want to tap the hamburger symbol up in the top right corner. And from here you want to tap Settings and Privacy. And then you want to scroll all the way down to Report a Problem. And from here you want to scroll down to Account and Profile. And here you want to tap Editing Profile. And here you want to tap Other, because you don't have the option of changing your birthday with these options here. And then you want to scroll all the way down to Need More Help and then tap it. And here you want to write something like this, and then you want to tap Submit. So this is the only way to change your age on TikTok with your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.